Can you still find below 2000 per square feet in rest of Central Region, the RCR? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a value buy project in the RCR region that has direct access to the MRT. It is also a mixed development in District 8 and just going from 1921 PSF onwards. And if you have guessed it correctly, that's right. The project name is Piccadilly Grand, developed by renowned developer CTL and MCL Land. And if you're looking for a brand new 5-bedroom below 2000 PSF or even a 4-bedroom dual key for just slightly over 2000 PSF, then just watch on. Piccadilly Grand is located at Northumberland Road in District 8. It is a mixed development with retail, F&B, and even a childcare center at level 1. One good thing to note is that the shopping arm is managed by the developer, so to ensure a good mix of retail to enhance the residents' experience living in Piccadilly Grand. It comprises of 407 units from 1 to 5 bedroom. Currently, all the 1 to 3 bedrooms are fully taken up, so we are right now left with the 4-bedroom dual key, 5-bedroom, and 5-bedroom premium. And also not forgetting, Piccadilly Grand also have a direct MRT entrance and exit to Farrer Park MRT station. And if you cross to the other end of the other exit, you have the popular City Square shopping mall. Now let's see why a unit in Piccadilly Grand should be in one of your consideration. Rental potential. Now let us look at its rental potential based on a nearby development. City Square Residences, completed in 2009, which is also developed by CTL. This is a rental haven for landlords. The rental rates for the 4-bedroom currently are raking in $7,500 to $8,000 monthly. Similarly, Piccadilly Grand 4-bedroom being the newer condo shouldn't have any issue getting the same or even higher rates. For the 4-bedroom dual key, we will be taking a 1-bedroom and 3-bedroom in City Square Residences for comparison as well. The current 1-bedroom rate is going from 2,500 to 3,000, and the 3-bedroom is going from 4,500 to 5,000 monthly. Piccadilly Grand 4-bedroom dual key, when combined, should be easily rented out from 8,000 to 9,000 onwards. For the 5-bedroom and 5-bedroom premium, as there isn't any comparables nearby, and most of the 5-bedrooms are usually for own stay and seldom on rent. So if there is any 5-bedrooms out on the market for rent, it can definitely command a higher rental, as much as 10K onwards, in my opinion, as long as they are of good layout, just like Piccadilly Grand. Now let us look at the pricing for each of the bedroom type that's available in Piccadilly Grand. A 4-bedroom dual key, 1378 square feet or 1389 square feet starts from 2.83 million or 2032 PSF onwards. A 4-bedroom flexi that's of a very good size of 1410 square feet starts from 2.87 million or 2040 PSF onwards. 5-bedroom, 1582 square feet starts from 3.04 million or just 1925 PSF onwards. And the 5-bedroom premium that comes with a private lift starts from 3.22 million or 1921 PSF onwards. And to determine if this is a safe entry price, let us take a look at some comparables resale in the vicinity and new launches in the outside core region that is currently on the market right now. First, we will be comparing the notable resale in the vicinity, basically the big developments. First, resale property will be the City Square Residences, which is completed in 2009, a freehold development. The recent resale price are transacted for 19SX PSF on average and some hitting over 2000 PSF. Another nearby development, Sturdy Residences, which is completed in 2019, a 99 years leasehold project. The resale prices are also transacting in the range of 1009 to 2000 PSF. Now let's compare with the new launches in the OCR region. Alright, for the 4-bedroom type, we will be comparing with 3 developments. Number 1 development that we're comparing will be Lentor Modern, another integrated development in District 26. A 4-bedroom, 1578 square feet is currently going for 3.07 million or 2015 PSF onwards. Seneca Residence, a mixed development that's next to Tanah Merah MRT in District 16, is 4-bedroom of 1518 square feet is currently going for 3.04 million or 2007 PSF onwards. And the recent new launch of Dairy Farm, the Botany, is 4-bedroom of a smaller size of 1270 square feet is currently going for 2.43 million or 1908 PSF onwards. Now let us take a look at the 5-bedroom comparison. For this, we will be taking a look at these two developments in the OCR. Amor Residences at Ang Rise in District 20, a 1475 square feet 5 bedroom is going for 3.17 million or 2150 PSF onwards. It is only left with the last 3 5 bedrooms and 2 penthouses. District 23, the Botany at Dairy Farm, 5 bedrooms, 1539 square feet is going for 2.96 million or 1926 PSF onwards. Now with a budget of 2.9 to 3.3 million, and you're looking for a 4 bedroom to 5 bedroom, either for your own stay or for investment, with a very safe entry price, does Piccadilly Grand now looks more attractive right now? And if you do want to take a look at the show flat of Piccadilly Grand or of the projects that were mentioned in this video, my contact details are in the description box below, and I'll be happy to supply you with more information. I hope you enjoyed today's video. You can leave a comment below if you have any question. And as always, subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next video.